Good morning. Chapter Surface Areas and Volume, Exercise 13.8, question number 5. The question is, how many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter 10.5 centimeter hold? Okay. So how many liters of milk? That means capacity we have to find. So it is hemisphere in shape. So hemisphere, capacity of hemisphere is, formula is, we know 2 by 3 pi r cube. Half of sphere. Total sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. So it is given diameter is 10.5 centimeter. So diameter equal to diameter equal to 10.5 centimeter. Okay. So therefore radius equal to r. Radius r equal to 10.5 by 2 centimeter, and simplify this equal to 105 by 2 into 10 centimeter. Okay. Then 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10, 5 1 5, 5 to 10. So it is 21 by 4 equal to 21 by 4 centimeter. Okay, this is the radius of the hemispherical bowl. Now, capacity, that is volume of a hemispherical bowl equal to, so the formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, half of the sphere. Now 2 by 3 pi r cube equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube equal to this equal to 2 by,
Sir, 2 by 3 into 22 by 7.
what happened?
2.
So this equal to hello. So 2 by 3 pi r cube, 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into our radius is 21 by 4 into 21 by 4 into 21 by 4. 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, this centimeter cube. Now calculate now. So 3 into 7, 21, 21 cancel, 3, 7, 21. And 2, 2 the 4, 2, and 2 and 11, 22. 2, 11, it is 22. So this equal to 11 into 21 into 21. divided by 4 into 4, 16. 16, and this equal to 11 into 441 by 16. Okay, now multiply 441 and 16. 441 and 11, not 16, 11. Multiply 441 into 11. So it is 441 into 1, 441 into 44, that is 1, 4, 4. Equal to 14158 4851 by 16. So equal to 4851 by 16. Divide now, simple division, 4851. 3 into 16, 48. 5, 1, 1 0 here, put, then again 3. 48. 3. Then decimal point 0, 16, 1, 16 to 32, so 16, 1, 16, 14. Take one more 0, then 8, 8, 16, 12. Take one more 0, 120. Then 7 into 16, 7 into 16, 7 into 16, 112, so 8, 8, 0, 5, 16, 80, 5, 5, 16, 80. Okay, so this volume equal to, therefore equal to 303, 303.1875, 303.1875 centimeter cube. Okay, so question is how many liters? So convert into liter divided by 1000. So this equal to 303.1875 divided by 1000 liter. So this equal to, so you can write 0.303. 0.303 liter. This is approximate value. Okay, so this is the capacity of the hemispherical bowl. See, this question completed. After
Yes,
this,
sir.
answer is convert into centimeter cube to liter, divide by 1000, 0.303 liter. Yes? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next question, see. Question number 6. A hemispherical tank is made up of iron sheet, 1 centimeter thickness. Okay, hemispherical tank thickness is 1 centimeter, is made up of iron sheet.
Okay, sir.
If the inner radius is 1 meter, then find the volume of the iron used to make the tank. Okay, so first to convert unit, inner radius is 1 meter. So inner radius equal to inner radius of a tank equal to, it is given 1 meter. Okay, so change it to centimeter because thickness is centimeter. Therefore, R equal to radius 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. Now, outer radius,
101 centimeter.
yes, outer radius equal to inner radius plus thickness. So 100 plus 1 equal to
101 centimeter.
101 centimeter. 100 plus 1, so 101 centimeter outer radius. Now as per question, find the volume of the iron used to make the tank. So volume of iron sheet used to make the tank, used to make Abhinav,
Sir, no way it's Abhinav Sai Mishra. It's someone else, sir.
volume of iron sheet used to make the tank. Abhinav, then sound again, I'll off. Sound. Volume of iron sheet used to make the tank equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3. By 3 pi outer radius capital R cube minus small letter r whole cube, that is inner radius. Okay, this is the capacity or volume of iron sheet used to make the tank. Now to equal to calculate now, equal to 2 by 3 into pi is 22 by 7 into r, capital R is 101 outer radius, 101 minus inner radius 100 whole cube. Okay, this centimeter cube. Now 2 into 22, that is 44 by 21 into, so 101 whole cube, 101 into 101 into 101, it is 1030301. 1030301 minus 1 after 60, 100 cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This centimeter cube. Now 44 by 21 into this minus this equal to 30301. Okay, 30301, and this multiplied by 44 equal to 1,333,244 divided by 21. So equal to 63487.809 centimeter cube. 63487.809 centimeter cube. Okay. Question is, then find the volume of the iron sheet to make the tank. Okay. So this is centimeter cube. You can convert into meter cube. Okay. So this is the actually required volume of the iron sheet used to make the tank. Okay. This. Now question number 7. Find the volume of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeters square. Find the volume of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeters square. Okay. So it is given question. Surface area of a sphere. Surface area of a sphere equal to 154 centimeters square. Okay, 154 centimeters square. So we know the surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. So 4 pi r square, surface area of the sphere is 154. Now 4 into 22 by 7 into r square equal to 154. 154. So r square equal to 154 into 7 by 4 into 22. Okay. So 22 into 7, 154. So equal to 49 by 4. Now radius equal to r. R equal to under root 49 by 4 equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. This is the radius of the sphere. Now capacity is, question is find the volume of a sphere. Okay. So its volume equal to therefore equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube because of sphere. Now 4 by 3 into pi 22 by 7 and radius is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 centimeter cube. Okay, now calculate now. So 7 cancel, 7 2 11 22 2 11. Okay, now 4 into 11 44 into 7 into 7 49 by 3 into 2 6 6 into 2. So 1 was 6 into 2 and 2 and 44 22. So it's equal to 22 into 49, 22 into 49 by 6. Okay, can you cut by 2 11 22 11 and 3 to ja 6. So 11 into 49 by 3. Okay, now this equal to 11 into 49 and 11. So 49 into 49 1 to 49. So 49 9 539 by 3. Okay, so this equal to 539 by 3. So equal to divide 539 3 1 ja 3 2 3 3 7 21 2 9 3 9 27 3 9 27 2. So you can write this equal to 179 2 by 3 centimeter cube. This is the required volume, that is volume of a sphere. Okay, thank you.